Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. From Ono Ear Device, Ono know say one and only Atafa the Press. Well, my wisdom warriors, me did have to run, come fast. Come talk the people them business. So, you know, say Mark Golding run out. And Mark Golding is calling on the government to start make a move right now. Yeah? He is calling on the government to start make a move right now, my wisdom warriors. Look how long Andrew Holness is doing assessment. Look how long Andrew Holness do assessment. Beryl come on the 3rd of July. And today is the 8th. And not one person get a bottle of water. Not one person. You have people, who need groceries. You have people where their house now have rooftop. You have people where them bed mash up. Them bed the outside. Like, come on. Why make it take Andrew Holness so long to give the people them groceries? Why it take them so long to give the people them food? That me want to know. That me want to know, my wisdom warriors. So, opposition leader Mark Golding is calling on the government to ramp up its response to area severely affected by Hurricane Beryl. Speaking during a tour of Alligator Pond in Manchester today, Mr. Golding said based on his observation, citizens in southern Manchester and southern St. Elizabeth were the most affected. When I hear that, people who live in southern Manchester and southern St. Elizabeth were the most affected. He said state agencies must increase their efforts to distribute necessities to those affected. Mr. Golding said the assessment being undertaken need to move rapidly into relief efforts. When you hear that, my wisdom warrior, just tell me what in this Mark Golding say wrong. Because Mr. the Labour right, them have it all over. You see them Labour right here? Them are going to make Jamaican people suffer real bad. Just because they're die-hearted. Them are going to make them brothers and sisters suffer real bad underneath Andrew Holness administration. Look from when Andrew Holness do assessment. From the 3rd of July. Just say the 4th of July after Beryl. He start. The 4th of July. And today is the 8th. And you tell me say, bring, pack up and load up some truck and bring some food, go give the people them. Eh? The only person me see make a move is Shensia. And me not gonna stop say that. The only person when me see will use them brain is Shensia. And you only say get money, you have money. Where you wait pan? Where you wait pan? You is the Prime Minister. You don't have to have the money ready to get the goods them. You don't have to have the money ready to get the goods them. You can't get the goods them and pay later. You can't do that because that's what you do. When it comes to medication, that's what you do. You don't trust medication. Because right now, it is alleged that medication, you owe for medication. That's why enough of the hospital, they don't have medication. They think we don't know what's going on. We know what is going on. You understand me? We're not fool about here. So when we see the Labour right, them attack about, what happened to Mark Golding? What happened to Mark Golding? You know, Sister Beryl just gone. This is an emergency situation. Beryl just gone. And how much do you know? How much do you? Today is the 8th. Beryl gone from the 3rd of July. You have the 4th, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 days. And nobody not get no food and nobody not get no water. And you have a Labour right, them a girl and talk about Mark Golding torment. Really? It come like, you see enough of uno we a chat. Me notice say, I know Jamaica uno live. Enough of uno we a chat shit. No live in a Jamaica. Uno no know what go on in a Jamaica. So sometimes uno just shut on a stinking mouth. Seriously, because uno do not know what is happening. The people, they need food. The people, they don't even have water. The people, them don't have water. You understand me? The people, they need food. The people they need plyboard. The people they need block. The people they need it. The people they not have horse top. The people they not have bed. They not have just the whole of them sitting mash up. So what now wait pan? Even if you're not ready for deliver other things, at least start deliver food stuff. Start deliver the food stuff, Andrew Wellness. My wisdom warriors, I agree with Mark Golding. Andrew Wellness need to wrap it up. But it look like him a wait pan the food stuff for arrive from Miami. For make it look like say I him go buy food. Members of the people them from Miami send out care packages in my wisdom warriors. It look like I hit Andrew Wellness a wait pan. For give out to the people them. 5 days now. 5 days. And not even a tin of corned beef. Tin of sardine. Nothing of the people they no get. Come on, man. You no need to do better than that. How long you assess? I wonder why you're really up to, Andrew Wellness. You know some have a feeling you're up to something? Me really have a feeling because why it take you so long for assess? Why you have to go there go assess? Use the Prime Minister. What you assess say? You waste time. You time wasters. You just make people them a suffer. 5 days gone, a whole heap of people right now asleep outside door. Whole heap of people not have no home right now. And enough of them could have been in their house today. If they did go there already and give them plyboard, if you put on the top of their house, then could have sleep in their house and go give them mattress. Come on, man. You have to use, you have to start think critical. Do some critical thinking. And on a labor right, on so dumb. On is a load of shit. The whole on a labor right. Me not rate to know. John, because uno could never live in a Jamaica and a talk like this. I know say a lot of people suffer. A lot of people suffer through Beryl. Not because you no suffer. That means that other people now go through it, man. Uno fi stop them a foolishness, man. Uno fi stop it. So Andrew Wellness says priorities will have to be set as the government respond to the needs of the country following the passage of Hurricane Beryl. And yesterday, Andrew Wellness said this, He said priorities will have to be set as the government respond to the needs of the country following the passage of Hurricane Beryl. The people them of Jamaica want to know how long you are going to take for their assessment, Andrew Wellness. I speak to people, labor right, they upset with you. Let me tell you that. This is the reason why I can't come out and I can't talk. The people them a say, no. The people them say they remember a long time ago when I did Gilbert, how PNP used to throw rice before Gilbert come, PNP grew on and throw rice in their yard and different food stuff in their yard when hurricane and its way come. And when they hear you come out and make announcement and say you are prepared, then did I look out for food. Andrew Wellness. And give the people them no food. You know, give the people them no food and 5 days now. 5 days now with people they need water. And that the people them want right now. Box cover, me can't believe this. You are talking about priorities. From the 4th of July you're out till the 8th. And you're out and you talk about priorities. All you do, the people them say all you do are talk. And that you do. Action speak louder than words. Jano. Andrew said, while he anticipates that there will be several needs. Listen to this, my wisdom warriors. Andrew Wellness said, while he anticipates that there will be several needs, some will take precedence due to limited resources. In the meantime, Mr. Wellness said, while assistance is provided, it will be done in an accountable manner. Okay, so Andrew Wellness, so that's why you go around. So it seems like you go around for just point out the labor right them. It seems like you're going around and point out the labor right them for know who is labor right and who is PNP. You think so you're going to suffer the PNP people them? You think so the PNP people them are going to suffer under your hand? It not going to happen anymore. A long time them are suffer. You understand? It's not going to happen anymore because it seems like a that yard, That's why you go round because you want to know who are PNP and who are JLP. You understand? A whole heap of money you getting, brother. A whole heap of money you getting. You take too long, You take too long to attend to the people, them needs. You take too long. And everything this man bring politics in my wisdom warriors. Everything. He said while this is an emergency, he must ensure that his government is not accused of corruption. You hear all them something here now, my wisdom warriors? You hear all them something here? You hear them something here? While this is an emergency, he must ensure that his government is not accused of corruption. Yeah, talk about them the Andrew Holness while people need food. All you have to do is be transparent. Be transparent. Let us see. We want to see. We not hear nothing about the money them. We only hear say you secure 2.5 million US. You secure $300 million. We not hear about the rest of money yet. All now the people them are reach out to me and the people they want to know how comes you not announce. All now you not announce say food is coming from Miami. And that the people them must say, how come you not announce it? You say you're going to be transparent. Make sure, say, you be transparent in everything. And when we are saying everything, we are talking about the money too. This is why you are going to get accused. Remember, say, una thief, you know. You can go and like say, una no thief. Una thief. Una is a set of criminal. That's why una name call up in a corruption. Look on the $700 billion. The Auditor General do the auditing other day. And 700 billion can't give account for. There's no records to show where the money spent on. So of course, you're not criminal. And you have to be accused of it. You is a set of criminal. You shouldn't get no money. No money should never come to the government. Seriously. No money should never come to you. Me know so right now, this is the happiest time in your life. Me know that Andrew Holness said this right now are the happiest time in your life. You think say you're not going to be transparent? If you're not be transparent, you have to get accused because you're not a criminal. Remember that, you know? Remember, say you under ongoing investigation. Remember that. And we want tomorrow when you run up in a House of Parliament because House of Parliament now a short. So you still can turn up a House of Parliament. We want to hear about the 6th thief and the 28th thief too. Come in and forget about them. You need to talk about it. You need to come and table it out in a House of Parliament. From last week, if you table out, Beryl come and disrupt everything. So right now, at that we are wait pan. You come talk about to ensure. You talk about all type of things. But all now you not deliver goods to the people them. It just don't make no sense. It really don't make no sense. And it really upset me, my wisdom warriors. It really upset me because they have some dirty thinking labor right go around and is defending somebody like Andrew Holness. Anybody will defend Andrew Holness, you have the same wicked heart like them. You are wicked. The whole of you will defend Andrew Holness is wicked. The whole of you don't have no love in no heart. But me say me want, you see the pain when the people them go through when they go hospital, me want if you reach to uno. And that me want, you know, because we are not defend this, defend hospital, defend this. I want uno sister the hospital I feel, uno still a defend it. Uno fool, but just because uno actually not reach a phone doorstep yet. Because any day it reach a phone doorstep, me know so uno not go chat like this. Me know that. Uno not go chat like this. Seriously. Look all upon Spanish Town Hospital. Spanish Town Hospital flood out. Why flood out? Why it flood out? Because the drain need cleaning. That's why, and they never clean the drain. They never release no money for clean the drain. So who is to be blamed for this? No must the government. And then they have a dirty thinking labor right them come out again and talk about don't blame the government. Why me no know? Uno, hey, Jano, uno really a set of idiots, you know. Labor right, uno me a chat to. No for uno. Uno really no have no sense. No for uno a fool. Uno make Andrew Holness just a step up all over uno. Uno say uno a idiot. Uno come out and defend Andrew Holness. Jano man, me really feel it for my people them, my wisdom warriors. Me really feel it for my people them. But uno tell me what you think. Put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Guys, run over to my TikTok and my IG page. Follow me. The link I go there in the comment section. Also, you can reach me on my WhatsApp, which is 876-236-9097. Blessings upon blessings. One love.